and finally we are sailing. Gaza, we are coming.
Do you believe in collective action?
We, Palestinians, we rise again. We always have, even if this time it will be more difficult. But not you, no. You, who stood by, watching, while we were exterminated. I do not know if you will ever rise again. Hey bro, this morning I received the message that I can go on board. So today's Thursday and on Sunday I have to go. I have to get everything, I have to decide how to go there, I have to prepare all the stuff, I have to prepare mentally. Vámonos. I'm in Catania now, and we have been doing a lot of trainings and a lot of preparation in order to get on the boats. In reality, we have to wait some extra days because Barcelona's boats and Tunis's boats are not here yet, and we're gonna meet all together not far from Catania. So now we are here, we are getting deeper into the knowledge that we have to develop in order to go to the boat. I want to specify now why I'm here. I'm here because I think that the people of the world have a voice. The people of the world can make a difference. And this is why I'm here, this is why I am willing to sail. When people tell us that it is too dangerous, I say, is it that dangerous compared to what people in Gaza have to face every day?
We sail because between day 695 and 698, between Sunday and Thursday, 242 Palestinians were killed, including 76 aid seekers.
We sail because 29 Palestinians, including 4 children, killed starvation in the last 72 hours.
We sail because Israel is currently holding more than over 11,000 Palestinians in prison, subjecting them to inhuman conditions and removing their right to a trial. 400 of those are children and 49 are women.
We sail because there was an IOF drone strike on a water distribution site in Al Mawasi, which killed 11 people, including 7 children.
What was incredible to see already in the last days is the amount of solidarity, messages, posts, but even the demonstrations in Catania, they were incredible. A lot of people, 15,000 people after there were 50,000 in Genova and more around the world. So it is already a victory now. Let's see what will happen in the next days. And what is very important to me is that this whole situation is not about me, it's not about this channel, it's about Palestine. The main character of these videos is gonna be Palestine. So all these mornings I've been traveling to the city center by bicycle because the house of my host, Lorenzo, is quite far away from the center. I'm very lucky that I'm with him because actually he's allowing me to be here. It is making it sustainable. I'm staying in his house for 1 week now, and maybe I'm gonna stay there more. But cycling in the morning these days made me feel very free. 20 minutes every morning, and I have been thinking a lot about my privilege actually, of being able to get a bicycle and to cycle around and to feel free. A privilege that other people in the world don't have. 25 years old people in the world don't have a bicycle or don't have a road where to cycle to. And as much as it can sound lame, and as much as everybody has already spoken about it, I have been thinking about people in Gaza that don't have this privilege and all the other privileges that we have. And don't criticize what you can't understand. Son and daughter, beyond your command. Your old road is rapidly aging. Let's get a new one if you can lend your hand.
the times they are changing. Across the skies, slow one now will be later, be fast as the present now will be later the past. The order is rapidly fading. The first one now will be later the last. For the times they are changing.
I'm sending this back home. To keep it safe, and I hope to see it again and have it on my hand again.
So today is the day before departure. After 10 days in Catania, after having waited for the boat in Barcelona, after having seen in the last 2 nights the drones attacking the boats in Tunis, now we are ready to sail. I'm very motivated. Of course, I'm a bit emotional about it because after all these days of trainings and uncertainty of what would have happened, now it is the moment.
Ucaplah alhamdulillah, bukan suka kena semua ada pertama baru
Senti nessuno, chiudo gli occhi e fumo. Sono arrivato fin qui, non so neanche come. Diventiamo ricchi, dimmi quando e come.
Everything was supposed to finish and I was ready to go back home. Incredibly, I found a boat and we had to fix something. We fixed it. We prepared everything in this last day, but I'm sailing. Hype this video. We are ready to arrive to Gaza.
تستناكم